Looking for a skincare kit that brings the latest advancement from technology and science? Then I found this all-rounder science-backed, evidence-based skincare routine that is specially designed for skin nourishment and proper hydration. It is Nuessentials Nourishing and Hydration Kit by Zeroharm Sciences. 5 sets of face mask, a mist and a serum, along with a tested patch. All 3 are designed to give you a complete skincare routine at home. But what makes them so effective? Well, it has dermatologist and clinically approved active ingredients like aloe vera extract, peptides, which promote natural collagen production in your skin. Niacinamide reduces dark spots and gives you a brighter look. And finally, my favorite, nanotechnology, which boosts hydration by minimizing water loss through your pores of the skin. And not to mention, it also comes with a mock video for correct application. It also fits into my busy schedule. I just have to put on the mask, spray the mist and let the ingredients dissolve into my face like magic. And then wash my face before applying the serum. That's it. I'm done. If you want to hydrate your skin and a clean glow all day long, I couldn't recommend this more. This nourishing and hydration kit saved me a lot of time and effort to maintain my demanding skin. So order now.